Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
I'll begin straight off by talking about Refine. New sale going live on Refine today. It was supposed to go up at 5, but since we are offering literally insane amount of sale on 40 freaking pieces, it's taking time for us. So there's a slight delay, but new sale up today on Refine. Go check it out. Sale on 40 freaking pieces. Just to give you a better option and a better price to buy clothing. And now coming to the main point, let's talk about what am I eating. If you remember, in the probably like 2-3 weeks ago, I mentioned that I will start bulking, putting on some mass on this biceps. I hope you see it. Anyways, so I wanted to bulk up a little bit because when I did the 75 hard challenge, I had to actually drop down 10 kgs, and that 10 kg drop was a big thing for me because it took me 4 years to put on around 15 kgs on my body, like muscle. And when I lost 10, it kind of hurt, but fuck it, I'm back on track. I already gained 6 kgs. So what exactly am I eating to bulk? I'm eating like 6 meals. I'm eating, actually, if you consider whey protein shakes, I'm eating 8 meals, but if you remove that, I'm eating 6 solid meals. My first meal at 4:45, I just put bread for toast and it's ready. So wow, peanut butter and bread. If you remember, it's Pintola peanut butter, which kind of sucks in taste, but again, we're not eating for taste. I'm eating for a fucking body, so it really doesn't matter. Going back to the topic, I'm eating like 6 meals a day, and these meals are actually pretty fucking heavy, and my carb intake is insane. And thanks to my metabolism, which is burning off at a high rate, not just due to my metabolism, but also due to my activities that I do in a day. My workouts are also insanely good. They're actually very intense. You could probably ask how intense my workouts are to Harsh, Ritik, Saike, and Varma. At a point, I worked out with all of them, and nobody's working out with me right now. I don't know if it's the workout or it's me. So if you're watching, please let me know what is it. Is it because my workouts are intense, or is Suraj Diapolu the reason? Either ways, I don't care, because I'm still going to go at the workout really, really hard. So I'm eating 6 meals a day, starting at 4:45 in the morning. At 4:45 in the morning, I'm eating 100 grams of rice. Not yet at 100 grams. I'm eating somewhere between, I would say, 85 grams to 100 grams in the morning, with 100 grams of tofu. So that's pretty loaded. And after this, I hit the gym, and after gym, I eat around 350 to 400 grams of veggies with protein shake. And after this, I'm eating again 100 grams of rice with a curry or dal. And after this, I guess I bought some peanut butter on my face. Anyways, after this, I actually eat. What do I eat after my lunch? Yeah, after this, I take a protein shake again, and then after that is this peanut butter and bread. Yeah, if you can see, this is how slimy the peanut butter is. Anyways, after that, I have a oats almond shake, and after that, my dinner is again bread with burger patties. Since I want to bulk up, the burger patties are still on, but soon I'll be removing the burger patties too. And Sujant is actually looking over my diet, and for the people who don't know who Sujant is, He's like one dude who knows all ins and outs for the scientific aspect of bodybuilding and nutrition or just a human body. So he really has a lot of knowledge. Whatever I do, it's out of experience and I start assuming things, but what he says, there's some reason to it, and he's been guiding me throughout this journey of bulking up. So there you go, 6 meals a day. If you count the protein shakes, 8 meals. So that's pretty heavy, man. And apart from that, I honestly and genuinely think I could definitely eat a little bit more. I guess, yeah, I could definitely eat a little bit more. Soon, maybe in a month or so, once my body gets used to this amount of food intake, I'm 100% sure that I will definitely eat way more than what I'm eating right now. So, yeah, that is my plan. Meal plan to bulk up. I'll keep updating you if I'm changing my diet. And for right now, you can check out how my bulking is going on. I don't know if you've seen this before, but I think they're pretty good, man. Comes up blazing. So yeah, bulking phase initially when the body size is growing, it's fucking amazing. But what I'm afraid of is, previously when I bulked up, I ate shitty food. So when I put on mass and shit, I was looking buffed up, but then I was not feeling right. So that's the only thing I'm kind of afraid of, backside of my mind. However, I just wait for it, and I'm just loving. I just love to eat, but there are times when I get sick of eating too. But right now, I'm not sick of eating. I'm hungry as fuck.